Welcome back to Talks Without a Map. I'm Riddhima.
And I'm Rohan. And like always, we are here to wander through topics with no GPS, no directions, bus full on buck.
Today's topic is a fun one: ownership versus access. Basically, the difference between this is mine and this is available on subscription. In my days, we had cupboards full of cassettes, CDs, DVDs. Each one was like a mini treasure. कि इतने सीडीज है और इतने कैसेट से हम लोग को इतना अच्छा लगता था ना. If someone touched my R.D. Burman or MJ cassettes without asking, my God, डाढ़ा हो जाता था.
And today, one Spotify premium account can stream Kishore Kumar, Bad Bunny, and K pop at the same time. So who needs cupboards?
अरे बाबा, but where's the feeling? Scratches on cassettes had stories. Rewinding with pencils was a skill. अभी तो एक बटन दबाओ, skip करो and move on.
Exactly. Convenience, that is, ma'am. Who wants scratches? We don't have patience for please wait, rewinding. Life is too short.
देख बेटा, owning something gave us emotional connect. A book with someone's handwriting inside. अरे यार, it was priceless. You can't gift someone a Kindle note saying page 56, font size 12. No, it remembered you.
True. But see, owning everything is also clutter. Netflix library is cleaner than a DVD rack. Spotify is lighter than 200 cassettes. Minimalism, sustainability, that is our vibe.
Minimalism? Please. Maybe you all don't own DVDs or cassettes, but you own 500 food delivery apps on your phone.
But think financially. Why would I buy a car when Uber is at your doorstep? No EMI, no parking fights, and no puncture tire, na?
हाँ, but then you are always at the mercy of search pricing. At 6 p.m., जब your scooter वाला ऑटो भैया starts feeling like a luxury yacht, वो उबर पे इतने prices बढ़ जाते हैं.
Okay. But honestly, I'd rather access than own. Why own a treadmill? Because gym membership exists. Why own bookshelves? Because Kindle hai.
Exactly. Which is why your generation doesn't own houses also. Access कर लो rent पर. बस शादी access पे मत करना भाई. Trial period खत्म, subscription cancel. Please हाँ, ऐसे मत करना.
Savage that is. Trial period marriage plan family edition. Wow. I'm sure some startup is working on it. But is that really a bad idea? Agar we have life partner libraries, that we can stream.
But on a serious note, ownership versus success isn't just about stuff. It's about how we see value, right?
True, that is very true. See, one generation values permanence, whereas the other values flexibility.
Maybe balance is the key. Own what matters and access what doesn't.
But I'll be honest with you, this is everyone's perspective today. We obviously believe more in renting and accessing, but balancing is the key is what we have learned.
Yeah.
कुछ चीजें own करो, कुछ चीजें accessibility. Like I remember when we were planning to buy a second car, the first thing I told my parents was, but we have Ubers, we have public transport, अभी metro भी शुरू होने वाली है. Why do we need to buy a car when we already have one? And in a place like Mumbai, you have so
Parking space,
we have so many options to travel. So isn't that like balancing? Like we have a car, but at the same time, we bought another car. That's another
But
thing.
what was their answer?
Yeah, they were like, yeah, you're right. But that still goes in their mind, that but apni gaadi hogi and all of that. Same is with house. So right now we are staying in a house where we are paying rent because our original building got demolished and then we had to move to a temporary accommodation. And I keep telling my mom that one day that house milne wala hai, possession. So let's rent out only, we can rent that out and live in a house because we love this house.
I mean, okay, this house is
So we
beautiful.
do own a house and we also are renting a house.
Yeah.
So dono ho jayega.
Yeah, so you have that security of owning a house.
Yeah. I mean, isn't it more important the house that we like where we are staying could be a rented place, but we love being together there, we love the
Love
house,
the vibe.
love the vibes and
Yeah.
everything. So उसमें नहीं हमारा ही घर होना चाहिए, ownership. मतलब क्यों होना चाहिए वैसे?
वो पहले से होता है ना कि लाइक एम ऑफ योर लाइफ इज टू बाय अ हाउस, शादी
Yeah.
करो, बच्चे पैदा करो,
Yeah,
सो दैट
but
इज टू
shadi
बी
bachche could be is neither ownership nor accessibility. Let's be honest over here.
हाँ
That's the thing.
बट दैट्स हाउ वी हैव बीन ब्रॉट कि एक घर तो होना चाहिए खुद का, तो प्रोबेबली इट्स अ योर प्लान टू
अपना माल अपनी
अपनी
इज्जत.
हाँ सेम या
ट्रायल पीरियड नहीं होता उसमें.
हाँ,
बट
हाँ.
सी आई कैन रिलेट टू व्हाट यू वर ट्राइंग टू टेल मी अबाउट MJ cassettes
हाँ.
and Kishore Kumar का audio, because
हाँ.
see I grew up, I'm a millennial,
हाँ.
so I grew up in both those worlds where we
हाँ.
had that. My grandfather also had that what is that circular thing we used to have? It used to play on that thing.
I know, I'll tell you. LP.
LP, yeah.
records. Yeah.
So I have heard music on that. I used to have the cassettes, A and B side, दो अलग अलग movies थे. So I used to put it in the tape recorder and play songs A to Z, all of the songs both sides. और उसमें भी रिवाइंडिंग पेंसिल से करना,
हाँ उसमें एक अलग मजा होता था
DVD
ना.
CDs का इस्तेमाल, एंड वो बड़े बड़े कैसेट्स भी होते थे, यू नो दोस. सो आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Yeah.
एंड उस वक्त भी रेंट पे मिलते थे ऑल ऑफ
हाँ,
दीज थिंग्स.
हाँ.
सम लाइब्रेरीज यूज्ड टू प्रोवाइड मूवीज एंड ऑल ऑन रेंट, एंड दैट टाइम आई जस्ट फील लाइक देयर वाज मोर ऑफ दिस नॉवेल्टी. Today I think we have discussed this in some topic, in entertainment topic, we have
Yeah.
discussed that today everything is just so much at our disposal and easily available, that sometimes you feel like striking a balance between ownership and accessibility is better in today's day and age as compared to that time jahan that was the only choice we also had, and uska maza alag tha, aaj ka maza alag hai.
Yeah. Talking about rent, few years back there was this concept of renting out luxury cars also. I mean all types of cars. So मुझे ऐसा लगता था, because I'm a BMW fan, so I used to feel that instead of buying a BMW, why not rent it out? Okay. और क्योंकि ऐसे भी कार की वैल्यू over the years depreciate होती है.
Right.
Okay. तो उसके बदले if I rent it out, मेरी एक वो ख्वाहिश भी पूरी हो जाएगी.
See, so now
And-
here renting is a better option,
Yeah.
right? Where you can today drive BMW they call it, BMW, yeah. Or tomorrow you might feel like driving a Mercedes maybe.
Yeah.
परसों लगेगा Innova, like I want to drive a very vintage Innova. मेरी ख्वाहिश है. I don't know why. I want that rugged Innova
Yeah.
to drive.
It's a very good car, by the way.
Exactly, that's
Yeah.
why. So I'm not going to buy one. I'll just rent it out for a day or two. My friends and I have decided कि एक तो trip उस खटारा Innova में करेंगे हम लोग, because that is my ख्वाहिश. So that is possible because of renting. So here accessibility is coming more into picture than
Yeah.
ownership.
But you know, here, when I discussed this with my son, he said, no, mama, अपनी कार.
See,
you
now
know.
अलग-अलग ये होता है. Now this
Yeah.
reminds me of my trip to US right now, where we did rent our car.
हाँ.
So I had like a Jeep Compass that I was
Oh,
driving left-hand
wow.
drive on the streets of California.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ पे ownership का कुछ मतलब नहीं था ना. I could rent out. So
See,
because of
there at least you could, like, you knew that you are in a different country. So there was no other option but to rent it out or borrow it
Yeah,
from
but-
someone, right?
Right, but there are people who stay there and they keep renting out cars.
Yeah.
They don't own a car.
Yeah.
My friend who stays in New York, they keep renting amazing cars out there.
हाँ.
तो वो कर सकते हैं ना. तो ये this accessibility is helping them to get experiences in life.
And especially when the value of that product is depreciating, then I think it makes sense to.
Like we have those e-bikes and such kind of bikes and bicycles and बहुत से देशों में होते हैं.
हाँ.
So they are also amazing, right? Like
Yeah.
rather than buying one and traffic में चलाने से, I'll just rent out a bike. Either there's a driver or it's a self-driven thing.
Yeah.
So that's the
Yeah.
thing.
Now, we spoke about car. Now, I want to talk about, suppose if you own a place in Mumbai, okay, it's going to appreciate. So, what I feel कि अगर एक जगह है ना, एक तो होनी चाहिए, that's what I
Ownership.
feel, ownership.
Yeah.
And बाकी का probably, you can rent it out.
Yeah, like how we are doing right now.
हाँ.
वैसे कर सकते हैं. And see, that is a wise choice, right?
Yeah.
If you have money, you better go and buy a house and so
Yeah.
you own it.
Yeah.
And उसकी value बढ़ेगी. You can further give it out on rent. So that makes sense over there. But for experiences, like अगर मैं चाहता हूँ कि अलग अलग जगहों पे मैं रहूँ then it's better I rent out a house.
Yeah.
Whether in Mumbai or anywhere else, like how we have Airbnb, for example.
Yes.
So I get different experiences. I'm not stuck to just one place. But another topic of renting out is quite bright when it comes to renting out clothes, designer wears.
Yeah.
My friend who got married last year, they had rented out a Manish Malhotra suit and everything. out there.
But that makes sense,
Exactly. That's what the thing. Otherwise, if they buy it and keep it in their cupboard और रोज देखेंगे तो उससे क्या? Oh, I own this, इससे क्या होने वाला है? तो उससे अच्छा renting, and then pictures will be clicked, so वो दिखाएंगे ना कि देखो we had worn this.
अभी शादियों में लड़कियां इतने महंगे लहंगे लेती है, एंड आई थिंक दे वेयर ओनली फॉर दैट ओकेजन. उसके बाद में वो कबर्ड में पड़ा रहता है. सो डज इट मेक सेंस टू own that kind of?
No. You should own it. You understand what I'm trying to say? When they wear and they look amazing in that, you say, oh, you're owning it, girl, that way. So you should own it that way.
Oh, that way. Okay.
Yeah.
For that time.
For that time. In Japan or in some Eastern country, you can rent a girlfriend and a boyfriend.
Yeah,
also.
I heard that. Yeah.
Amazing, no?
Yeah. Even in India, they have started it. That's
See,
what I read just 2 days ago.
Rather than owning a partner, rather rent out. Now you'll have some variety also.
Yeah.
So हर जगह ओनरशिप नहीं होनी चाहिए. कुछ जगह रेंटिंग कि ठीक है आज 2 पल के लिए है, बाकी छोड़ दिया, किसी और को दे दिया.
In Thailand they have.
Yeah. That is Zar, by the way, out there barking right now. He's also excited about this topic.
So what's your take on renting versus owning?
I just personally feel like both owning and renting out are both amazing options and valuable options, and they're worth the effort.
So as we said, balance of both, right?
Absolutely.